Hello students, today we will start a new chapter is motion. In the ninth grade we had already discussed about the motion, what is the motion, what is the reference point, distance and displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration, equation of motion and graphically representation. In this chapter, okay, in 11th grade we will discuss the same thing, but there are the some new points are here for your understanding. Okay, so then firstly we will start ki what is the motion. You know, anybody changes the position with respect to a time. Suppose there one, okay, firstly I am here, okay, at that time, then my body changes the position with respect to a time. मैं वहां से जहां पे आया हूं with respect to time, तो my body is in a motion. Okay, if the body does not change the position with respect to a time, so we can say the body is in a rest. First one, body is in a motion when the body changes position with respect to a time. Second one, body is in a rest if a body does not changes the position with respect to a time. Third one is the rigid body. Okay, rigid body means, okay, never change the position. Suppose there one is the this ball is here. Okay, its position is fixed. Okay, does not changes. Okay, the ball is the rigid, it's how, okay, it have own property, does not change its okay position. It is a rigid body. Okay, now in our surrounding, if you observe many things, so the birds are flying, cars are moving, okay, animal bodies are moving. Okay, these are the examples are, okay, these are the examples of a motion. Okay, now first thing is the reference point. After the definition of motion, I hope you understood what is the motion. In ninth grade we had already discussed. Okay, so then what is the reference or frame point? Suppose, okay, हम बंडाला से स्कूल आ रहे हैं. ओके, जंडियाला से, सॉरी नॉट अ बंडाला, जंडियाला से एसटीएस वर्ल्ड स्कूल की तरफ आ रहे हैं. ओके, अब आपको कोई बात नहीं पता कि कहां से आओगे आप. आपको जंडियाला से आप बंडाला आए, जंडियाला से, ठीक है, बंडाला आए. अब आपने ओके रास्ते में आते हुए किसी को पूछा कि एसटीएस वर्ल्ड स्कूल कहां पे है. उन्होंने बोला कि बंडाला से आप स्ट्रेट जाओगे. ओके, बंडाला से आप स्ट्रेट 2 किलोमीटर जाओगे तो आपको एसटीएस वर्ल्ड स्कूल मिलेगा. तो अब बंडाला क्या हुआ? रेफरेंस पॉइंट. आपको बंडाला से रेफरेंस दी गई कि बंडाला से आप स्ट्रेट 2 किलोमीटर जाओगे तो आपको स्कूल मिलेगा. ओके, तो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड कि व्हाट इज द रेफरेंस पॉइंट. मींस किसी चीज का, ओके, चीज की रेफरेंस लेकर चलना. ओके, तो दिस वन इज द रेफरेंस पॉइंट. नाउ सेकंड थिंग इज द डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Distance and displacement. Now there are the two things are here for, okay, confusing topic, distance and displacement. Many times students are not understand what is the difference between the distance and displacement. Okay, mostly students think about कि both are the same, but both are not the same. Distance क्या है? Total path covered by a body. Total path covered by a body. Suppose there one is the O point, A point, and here B point. Okay, the body start from a O. Suppose there one is the home. Okay, there one is your house. Okay, you start, okay, you start from house to school. There one is a school is here, we can say. Okay, आप अपने घर से स्कूल की तरफ आ रहे हैं, द डिस्टेंस इज द 100 मीटर. suppose the distance is 100 meter. Now from school to shop, this one is at a B point, shop is here. The distance between the, okay, not a distance, the path between the, okay, school to shop 10 meter. Okay, firstly you start from a, from your, okay, from a house, from a house to school, path is 100 meter. Then again, okay, from school to shop, that, okay, you come shop from the school, cover a 10 meter path. Now the distance is equal to total path covered by a body. You can write down in your notebook as a definition, distance is the total path covered by a body. अब कितना path covered किया body ने? Firstly 100, then 10. तो distance it is denoted by S, capital S. So then 100 plus 10, it is a 100 meter. Okay, the distance is equal to 100 meter because total path covered by body is equal to 110 meter. Now displacement is, okay, there are the two definitions are here for the displacement. First one is a displacement is the shortest path covered by a body. Displacement is the shortest path covered by a body. Okay. Next thing, next definition, the difference between the initially and final point between the body. Okay, means body पहले कहाँ पे थी और फाइनली कहाँ पे है, उसके बीच का जो डिफरेंस है, ओके, उसके इन बिटवीन जो डिफरेंस है वो आपकी क्या है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट. इट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट इज द बेस्ट definition for understanding the displacement as a numerically, the difference between initially and final point. Okay, so then suppose firstly body start from O to A, means house to school 100 meter, then from A to B, okay, move from A to B 10 meter. Now the displacement is equal to that point because initially point is here. Okay, यहां से आपने स्टार्ट किया था, यहां से बॉडी ने स्टार्ट किया, this one is the initial point and now stand here means it is a final point. So definition is the difference between initial and final point, या initial and final position. So that how we can find displacement $100 minus 10. So displacement is the 90 meter. You can, ठीक है, observe this thing. In distance we add the total path and in displacement we minus the, okay, distance from a path from the total path. Okay, so this one is the distance and displacement. I hope you understood. Okay, for this numerically I will share a assignment with you for solving these things. When you solve the 2-3 questions in a regular base, so you can understand easily with the practice. Okay, I repeat, distance is the total path covered by a body and displacement is the shortest path covered by a body, or we can say the difference between the initial and final position of a body is called displacement. Okay, so now next, distance is, if the, okay, distance never zero, distance कभी जीरो नहीं होगा, but displacement may or may not be zero. At that case, in which case displacement is zero? When the final and initially point is the same of a body. Suppose body ने start यहाँ से किया था, ओके, ए से जाकर फिर ओ पे आई, ओके, अब इनिशियली एंड फाइनल पॉइंट क्या हुआ? सेम. 100 माइनस 100 क्या हुआ? 0. ओके, तो डिस्टेंस इज द अनदर डिफरेंस. डिस्टेंस इज द स्केलर क्वांटिटी, बिकॉज अब जहां से बोला, सपोज कीजिए कि मैंने 10 मीटर कवर किया, ओके, कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं बताई गई, नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में गए या कोई किस पाथ में गए, ओके, तो इट इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी बिकॉज डिस्टेंस हैव ओनली अ मैग्नीट्यूड. Displacement is the vector quantity because the direction is a matter for the displacement. Okay, I hope the difference is clear for you. Okay, next topic is the uniform and non-uniform motion.